Initially, we have a discussion over the telephone. We're a full service model. We're not a DIY handyman type of business. Therefore, we have an initial conversation over the phone about the sort of products you're thinking. We do like our customers to have looked at our website, have an appreciation of our products, and then we have a discussion then. And one of those discussions will be giving an indication of budget. So we can't do much, given I say it's a full service model. Generally our solutions start at around about $3,000. So if you're a $500 sort of spend, then there's other avenues in the market for you which generally have a DIY component to it. Once we've had that initial discussion, we arrange for a home consultation. That's when we come to your home, and it generally takes about half an hour. And what we do, we have samples with us, we have photos, hundreds of photos from 18 years of installations. So typically there isn't a garage solution or garage scenario that we haven't dealt with before and got pictorial evidence of fantastic results with regard to that. So we have, very importantly, have a chat about what you're wanting to store, because we're about functionality. How you want to use that space. Do you want to put one car in your garage? Do you want to have no cars in your garage? Is it a 4-car garage? How do you want to use that space? Is it a playroom for the kids? Is it about your home gym and the sauna? Is it about how do you want to use that space? We then put together a 3D design together. We generally have that 3D design to you within 48 hours with a fully itemised quote as to all the components there. And we give you a final price which includes everything. Includes installation, includes whether you've got smart wall, your cabinets, your surfboard racks or whatever it is, and we give you a fully installed price. Typically, we can install that solution for you within 3 weeks. So from the start, from you making that phone call, we can generally do the home consultation. Our objective is to do that within a week of having that phone call from you. And depending on how quickly you want to approve the quote and design, we can then install it for you within 2 to 3 weeks. So from start to finish, from that first contact for it to be installed, can be all done within a month. As I've mentioned previously, we source all the products ourselves. So we import the products ourselves that are specially made to our specifications. We always have them in stock. We have our own installers, which is really important. There's not going to be a tradie or subby or subcontractor coming out to your place and trying to work out how to install the products for the first time. Our people have been working for us, they're full-time, they've been around a long time with us. Typically, they're passionate about the products, they can provide really good advice at the time of installation. If you're shelving, they'll discuss what height should the shelving, all of those sorts of things. We'll have our recommendations, but the customer feedback's important, it's a consultative process. And then we'll put a lot of your things away. We'll put your bikes up, we'll show you how the hooks and baskets and shelves work on the smart wall, and we can provide really good advice right to the very end.